Okay. See, yeah, everybody mute. Venugar, you also mute it.
Yeah.
So, see, everything that we learn, whatever we learn in life, has some fundamental principles on which it is based. Okay. Whether you learn medicine, you learn a specific type of medicine, specific type of education, or anything. So everything will be based on certain fundamental principles on which the entire training happens. Okay. So this workshop, which I coined it as Rewrite Your Life, uh, is based on certain principles and certain understandings and certain knowledge. Okay. The primary knowledge here is basically I was trying to, in my journey, I tried to find out the root causes and how to come out of those. You know, there is, we all uh, are happy in many things, and we are not very happy in certain things. Some things are, you know, we want to do certain things and we are unable to attain them. So these are, we call it as patterns. You know, again you get cheated by someone, again and again you get abused by someone, so again and again something is going wrong. So these are all patterns. And on the other side, the positive sides also, if you have been like, you know, as if like you are lucky in everything you do, as if life loves you so much that kind of, you know. So both are patterns. And these patterns are uh, completely ingrained in our system, in our subconscious and in our system. So it keeps on repeating unless we understand that, and we try to take away that. Okay. So the entire training is based on one such way of finding out and taking away those things which are not helping us or not empowering in our life, taking off those and replacing them with the better ones. And that will automatically reflect in our life. Okay. Whether it is attracting a right spouse in our life, or a girlfriend or a boyfriend, or the kind of boss we attract in our job, the kind of value and respect we get outside, it's all is coming from what is there in our subconscious, or the subconscious mind, and whatever it is there. So uh, so this is the fundamental idea, like, you know, where so we work on, we in this workshop we find where those roots have been formed, how they have formed, and then we take away those things. Okay. And we replace with things which will work for us. Okay. It is like uh, planting, sowing some seeds. The soil never judges what kind of seeds you are going to sow. Okay. Whatever the seeds are there, whether it is being sown by us consciously, or it just happens like some birds throw them away, or through wind some seeds come, or whichever way those seeds enter into earth will not judge. Okay. It will just start nourishing those seeds, and it will support those plants, and those plants will grow. That is part and parcel of nature. Similarly, whatever we have been sowed, mostly 99% it's all unconsciously been done, because our parents, our environment, mostly our environment, they didn't know how to, you know, they didn't know the science of this, and they have unconsciously, unknowingly, they have sown certain seeds in us, which gets sprouted, and our life becomes something else, where we all suffer, and we go through a lot of pain and all that. Okay. So this entire thing is trying to, like I said, in uh, uh, agriculture or plantation, sometimes you find weeds, so you take away those things, and the entire training is all about finding out, replacing what will help, uh, what are the things that will help to have this better seeds, like grow completely in a best way, so that we get best of the fruits, what we call as life. Okay, so this is all about that. The first, in this particular training, we focus on how we get programmed before, before birth, during the stages of when we are in the mother's womb, to the major programming happens from that point to the 7 years of our life. Okay, the first 7 years of our life is very critical, whether it was told in our ancient scriptures, or in many ways it was always told, but we don't know the depth of that, how to like, if we are failing again and again, somebody is cheating us again and again, then we don't know how to check that where it has formed, and we don't know how to change it. Okay, so this is the in the entire workshop, we say how to find out, how to replace it, what will help the wrong things. Okay, like for example, certain environment will be helpful for weeds to grow, some certain environment will be helpful for good plants to grow. So what are the environments that we must start having in ourselves, and other things which will help us, and what will not help us in developing that. So this is the content which will be happening, and it is a training wherein you can start looking at life that way, and you can you have enough of tools to see and change them. So this is what it is. యా, మనకి ఆ మందును క్రియేట్ చేస్తుంది, దాంతో మనకి రోగం కూడా క్యూర్ అయిపోతుంది. ఆ శాస్త్రం తన అలాగే అది మెయిన్ బేస్. సో మనకి యాక్సిడెంట్లు ఎందుకు అవుతున్నాయి, మనకి రోగాలు ఎందుకు వస్తున్నాయి, ఇలా ఇవి డిఫరెంట్ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్ ని కవర్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్. ఈ వర్క్షాప్ ట్రైనింగ్ లో మీరు దీన్ని తెలుసుకోవచ్చు. In I was in my journey, I was in a quest to know how we create our reality and how we can change our reality. In the first inspiration was Swami Vivekananda, who kept on saying many times that you are the creator of your destiny. You can change your destiny the way you want. You are capable of that. So, and before that, it's there in Bhagavad Gita and Bible, what you sow, so shall you reap. What you like, all those things, whether you a lot of things were there, but I was searching for the wisdom and the practical aspect of that. Okay, they are saying this, but what is the science behind it? How do I apply it? So in this process, I met my teacher, whose name is Lalita Garapati, in 2005. She just returned from US, where she was trained by Louise L. Hay in You Can Heal Your Life. I was with her, under her, like we at one point we both used to take sessions to different people. People used to come to her, people used to come to me. She was running an organization which I was part of. So we used to do that, and I was trained by her. Along with Louise L. Hayes, she learned many other things. So she amalgamated some things, and she created a concept by herself, in which I was part. Then apart from learning from her, I also learned from different masters different things. So I in a way, I too felt like this must be added in this, so that it can reach to people more, or it can be more effective. So based on my experiences, I started adding certain things and making certain different, applying different things in that. So that's how the entire concept has evolved. So it's the fundamental principle, the 60% of what you can expect from this workshop is based on Louise L. Hay's book, You Can Heal Your Life, wherein she teaches how each thought can affect, will become a disease, or it can be good or bad, like, so certain negative thought will result in certain diseases. Similarly, what is the positive thought that can cure that disease? She gives the entire list of these things. So it's a but it's not limited to only physical health. It goes beyond a lot of things. You can find how why a person is not rich, why again and again they're ending up in losing money no matter how much they are earning. So why exactly someone is going through, if there is a repeated pattern, why is somebody is getting cheated again and again, why someone is getting accidents again and again. All such kind of things has roots, and through these methods we can find out roots. And it's not just finding out the roots, it's also has a solutions which are very easy to practice. A person like me, if I could practice it and I could achieve something, I'm sure anyone anywhere can also achieve it. Yeah. So 11-12 నుంచి బ్రేక్ చాలా పడింది. దెన్ 16 నుంచి మళ్ళీ అగైన్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది. రీసెంట్ గా లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ అక్టోబర్ నుంచి మళ్ళీ నవంబర్ నుంచి మళ్ళీ ఇట్ స్టార్టెడ్. అక్టోబర్ నుంచే ఇట్ స్టార్టెడ్ ఇన్ ఆన్లైన్. ఇది కోవిడ్ వల్లే ఆన్లైన్ లో అని కాదు, అక్టోబర్ నుంచి ఇట్ స్టార్టెడ్ అగైన్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ది జర్నీ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వర్క్షాప్, where in 2000 end of 2006, myself and my teacher, we along with two more people, we went to some places in Tamil Nadu, where I happened to be blessed by some great yogi. So, and he said, you better take care of go for a job and do all those things. So many of my teachers always used to say that you have to take care of those things, you have already done all this in many lives. So like that, they never tried to though they made me as next person to them and like that, but still they believed that I'm not made for becoming a sannyas or something. So I used to also try to balance those things, but somehow it never worked out those days. Yeah. So I this time when this master told, and he kind of gave an assurance that my spiritual journey will be taken care, then I felt I moved on. So I came back to my teacher also said, I'm happy finally you are listening to someone. And I came back to Hyderabad. But in this journey of learning so many things and all that without any job, I fell into deep debts. So and a lot of classes which I attended, I used to take debt. Like somebody is buying gold, I used to swipe my card and I used to take money from them. So later that I used to convert into EMIs, but like that EMIs became very big. So but I decided, okay, whatever happens, let it happen. I'll move on in this direction. Then it so happened that some people, for whatever I wrote in some groups in Orkut, they liked me, and they wanted to meet me. Someone whose whose father passed away, he came on the same day. And around the same time, there was a meditation class that happened, which was supposed to be lectured or given by my teacher, but she was not feeling well, so she asked the organizer to contact me. And that organization is Pyramid Spiritual Society, which I owe a lot to it. Okay, my entire journey is, in a way, it's the mother for me, mother organization. So I felt like whenever, if my service can be useful, I will never say no to them. So I went, I had my class. A lot of people got interested in that, and they came. They kept on insisting that when they heard about whatever I went through in my life, they liked it, and which I will discuss in workshop what they liked and all. Uh, and they insisted that I teach them, but I didn't have time to teach people individually. Then I decided I will go for a workshop. It was helping me to repay my debts, but still for many years I was not out of debts, because apart from repaying, again I started learning so many other things. Like today I have done workshop, I used to go to some Delhi somewhere. I used to learn something from some masters there and all that. So but it did give a great thing. And now uh, so this is how my journey in this workshop started. It was not like a planned one. So in August 2007, I been to Nepal, and someone, in a good friend of mine in Nepal, wanted to organize my classes. So she wanted to create a posters in bakeries and those places. So she asked me what would be the name. Then I coined this as Rewrite Your Life, because I believe we can through this we can rewrite our life. సో 2007లో నేపాల్లో ఒక ఫ్రెండ్ నా క్లాస్లో ఆర్గనైజ్ చేసింది. నేను 4 రోజులు అక్కడ ఉన్నాను. అప్పుడు వెళ్ళే ముందు అక్కడ బేకరీలో అక్కడ పోస్టర్స్ పెట్టి పలానా క్లాస్ ఉంది ఇది అని చెప్పడానికి, దానికి ఒక టైటిల్ కావాలి కదా, అప్పుడు దానికోసం అని ఈ పేరు పెట్టడం జరిగింది. నీ జీవితాన్ని తిరగరాసుకో అని దీని టైటిల్ యొక్క ప్రాపర్ మీనింగ్ అనుకుంటున్నాను తెలుగులో. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇట్. But how does it help? Basically, it helps people in different ways of walks of life. But most importantly, another most important principle is what you have inside will reflect. So this if you love yourself very much, it teaches what is self-love. It teaches self-esteem. So what exactly is that, and why we don't have much of self-esteem and self-love for ourselves? So how to raise that is one beautiful thing this entire workshop rotates around. The entire Louise L. Hay's the thing, if we can say, if I can say what Louise L. Hay has given to world, is that how to value ourselves, how to value how to give love to ourselves. So when we give love to ourselves, the vibration, it happens so that others also start loving us. So the kind of treatment we give to us will be given by others. That doesn't mean we abuse others or we cheat others, and it's not being self-centric. It is it's different to that. It's more, when you love yourself only, you can really authentically love someone else. When you don't know, when you know కిషోర్ గారు మ్యూట్ చేయండి. So one aspect is, you will when you start loving yourself, what you will notice is you become suddenly you'll see that you become more and more lucky. What all you felt like having, things will start coming to you. Even a simple thought, like I would like to have like this, I would like to have a curtain like this, then suddenly you will meet exactly those things, like as if life is all about fulfilling your wishes, fulfilling your desires, kind of. It's a very because when you love, actually you're loving this self is again God, you know. God will the God is within us. He or she God will take care of so many things. As I said, like that seed sown, whether that was a good seed or bad seed, earth will support this. Whatever you have it inside will be supported. So I can't just tell what kind of advantages I have seen in my life, what all I have reaped from this. uh, I can say my life, like entire life, I can be grateful for one, if for this. Yeah. So this has been సో తెలుగులో చెప్పడానికి ఎలా చెప్పాలి అంటే, మనము ఇంకా ఇట్లా వన్ ఆఫ్ ది మెయిన్ థింగ్ బాగా నేర్చుకునేది ఏంటంటే, మనల్ని మనం ప్రేమించుకోవడం,